Don't lose clients just because you forgot to call back. You rarely lose a client because your pitch was bad. You lose them because you forgot to follow up. Step 1. Set it up once. 5 funnel stages, and the win probability of each stage. Those probabilities drive the most valuable number in this file, your forecast revenue. Cold client threshold. How many silent days before the file flags a client for you? Add a new client source, and it shows up in every dropdown across the file. Step 2. 1 client per row in the master ledger. You only type the yellow cells. Stage, source, service and owner are all dropdowns. No typing, no typos. 5 gray columns fill themselves: win probability, forecast revenue, number of touches, last touch, and whether the client is hot or cold. Step 3. Every call, message or meeting gets 1 row here. That's it. The ledger counts the touches and updates the last contact date on its own. Step 4. This is the tab you open every morning. Who do I call today? It collects every open client whose follow-up is due, most urgent on top. Red is overdue, orange is today, yellow is later this week. Below it, the client's going cold, plus 1 line telling you what to do first. Step 5. Before you dial, open the client's profile in 3 seconds. Pick the name and everything shows up: contact details, stage with its probability, deal value, and the next follow-up. On the right, every touch you've had with this client, newest first, so you remember exactly where you left off. Switch to another client, and the whole profile follows. And the dashboard answers the owner's question: how much money is still in the pipe? The 5-stage funnel shows where clients pile up, and which stage is stuck. Forecast revenue is pipeline times probability, not wishful thinking. Plus your win rate, and how you track against target. Filter by owner, and the whole page rereads for that person's clients only. At the bottom, auto-written insights: who's overdue, who's cold, and which deal has been sitting untouched too long. Scan the code to see more templates like this one.